Homeland Security Technologies is designed to introduce students to the intersection of public safety and the technologies that drive and support it. Students develop skills in Homeland Security, cybersecurity, and emergency management through the study of GIS, geospatial technology, and computer forensics, and by utilizing state-of-the-art equipment such as drones and 911 simulators. Students have the opportunity to complete industry-mentored projects or enroll in post-secondary coursework. We keep our program current and relevant by keeping our fingers on the pulse of the industry. If there is new tech in the industry, a new controversy or development, or new opportunities for students, we're going to investigate them and pursue them. We analyze current events every day to determine how they might impact the world of Homeland Security. If you value public service and you love technology, this is the place for you.